Hello, friends. Very nice to meet you all today after a long time. But I missed you all. I really missed you all. My friends on Facebook, my friends on YouTube, and my friends and my subscribers who have subscribed me for my channel. Thank you so much once again. I am Sunita Paul, wellness coach for 60 plus, or you can say 50 plus, from Wellness Nutrition Hub. I have a request for you. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Those who are new or seeing it for the first time, please subscribe to my channel. Yes, my today's topic is weight loss for 50 plus, or you can say 60 plus also, because nowadays 50 plus is quite active, so we can take it as 60 plus also. First, I'll tell you something about me. I am a great foodie. I love to eat anything vegetarian, will never skip from my sight. Even if I've had my full lunch, my stomach is full, but if I see a sweet thing or a dessert or something which is my favorite, believe me, I cannot resist it. I have to have it. Even if it's a piece of chocolate, I want it. I can't leave that. I was that foodie and I was that sweetening loving person. I loved sweetness too much. I was so fond of sweets. Anything sweet has to go into me. Well, but now everything is changed. That time nothing could stop me, and now nothing can activate me, or nothing can put a liking for anything to me after I finished my lunch. So that is my condition at present. Now I'll tell you something. I'm talking to young people. Do you have your parents above 60? Do you have your in-laws above 60? Please take care of them. If you want to progress in life, take care of them. Nothing is going to stop you from your progress. Nothing is going to stop you from your productivity if your parents are healthy. Say why? I'll tell you. If your parents are healthy, you can completely concentrate on the job you are doing. You don't have to put in extra effort to meet your goals, to meet your target, or to increase your productivity. I'm talking about both husband and wife, because both of them are working at present. To meet the end needs comfortably, to have a financial freedom completely, both the spouses are working, the husband and the wife. Now the parents are left at home. Even if they are not staying with you, they are staying somewhere else, but they are alone, isn't it? So they need help. And now this is the time when you have to step in. Got it? You have to see that your parents are healthy. Otherwise, there will be a stress in your mind all the time. Don't know what's wrong with them. They didn't give me a call in the evening. Every day evening they call. Maybe they are busy somewhere, but suddenly a stress comes to you and you cannot give them a call in your working hours or so. Somewhere even the phones have to be submitted at the reception, some kinds of jobs. Now what these people will do, they can't even if they are sitting idle, they can't even talk to their parents. So my suggestion is, take care of your parents, keep them healthy, and you will be healthy. There is nothing going to stop you from progressing. Followed. So if your parents are overweight, even 10 kgs of overweight is going to cause harm, isn't it? Because overweight persons are in the range of the risk of lifestyle diseases. Now these lifestyle diseases are whether you may be diabetic or high BP or heart problem or kidney problem or maybe some other problem, a blockage, anything. Now all these things are non-communicable diseases and they are lifestyle diseases. So for persons over 60 or over 50, whatever it may be, if 50 is healthy, then people over 60, please take care of your health. If you want your children to be stress free, take care of your health. And children, if you want to be stress free, take care of your parents. Don't let them be overweight, because overweight has got more risk to the lifestyle diseases. No, that should not be there. Now what you have to do, and I'll tell about the people who are above 60 or above 50, those who are overweight. Now what you have to do, you have to look after yourself for your kids. First you were looking after your children, now you have to look after yourself, isn't it? After all, you are human beings, you have got a right to live. Live with fun, live with joy, live a healthy life, live a life full of satisfaction. That's what we want, nothing else. So first of all, have a mindset. Get motivated, have a mindset, and then what you have to do is choose a coach. If you are not finding any better coach around you, go to the internet, search for a better coach, a better wellness health coach who will be there with you for your lifetime. The complete services will be given to you for complete lifetime. You won't have to suffer. Followed. Now you see, as you lose your weight, what will happen? You will start getting free of your lifestyle diseases. Here I would like to put a disclaimer. For your diseases, you have to go to the doctor, but at the same time, if you are losing your weight, if you are overweight by 5 kg, 10 kg, 15 kg, 16 kg, drop it out, lose those fats and be healthy. When you lose the fats, you are going to be slowly free of your medicines and better in your lifestyle diseases. Got it? So, search for a good coach. Now this coach, if you are getting attached to him or her, the coach is going to be with you for your lifetime. They are not going to leave you in between. Nothing doing. You may leave them, but they will still contact you, or if you contact them after a gap of 5 years, they will still respond to you. Once you get attached to your coach, the coach is never going to leave you. Now, after getting a coach, you have to go according to the guidance of the coach, your wellness coach. Got it? Next thing what you have to do is, because you are alone at home or you are two of them, both are senior citizens above 60, what? You may look at each other and say, well, let us stop down today here. We are not going to do any more further. No. The coach will put you into a community of Weight Watchers. Weight Watchers are those who are going to reduce their weight, who are going to gain their weight if required, and who is going to maintain their weight. Because maintaining weight after weight loss or after weight gain is the most important. Losing weight is hard, but maintaining weight is still harder. Followed? Because maintaining weight is still harder. But if you don't go for things like 10 kgs in 10 days or 20 kgs in 15 days, then you learn how to maintain your weight. If you don't go for that, go for your weight loss in a healthy way with your coach and his guidance. Join a community. In a community, you do better. You are all the time positive. You are all the time motivated. Now think, what is lacking behind? Only one thing, that is your mindset. You have to decide, or rather, if I take on myself, I have to decide whether I want to lose my weight or not. Well, one day, one such day, I had also experienced when I took my decision in minutes. Only 2 minutes it took for me to decide that I have to go for weight loss. Otherwise, I could not pull on. Really, I couldn't pick up a pin which dropped on the floor, or a spoon which drops on a floor. Maybe you all must, all the above 60 must be having such problems. Those who are overweight, looking here and there, looking for the helper that please pick up the thing and give to me. So don't be in that state at all. Got it? Though you are having a helper at home, maybe for 24 hours, maybe for 12 hours, but if you are staying healthy, you are enjoying your life, you are enjoying your food, you are enjoying your workout, you are enjoying everything in the life. You won't have to look for a person to help you out, that please pick up my hanky, please pick up my spoon, please pick up my knife. No, not at all. Take a quick decision and first get motivated, then make a decision, then find for a coach, be disciplined, be honest to your coach, whatever is required, whatever he is asking, whatever she wants to know from you, provide it. Because your all results, the sum of all your results depends upon your coach. And then it depends upon you. If you are not honest, no result. If you are not disciplined, no result. I am not asking for much. Only you have to go on the track which your coach has pointed out to you, which your coach has suggested to you. Have a healthy, nutritious, protein-rich breakfast. But how much? That has to be taken care of. Your coach will guide you that even if your breakfast is good in nutrition, high in protein, high in fiber, but at the same time it should not be high in calories. The calories need to be controlled, the portions need to be controlled. Got it? And if you are having a healthy, nutritious, balanced breakfast, the whole day is going to be wonderful, wonderful and wonderful for you. Take my words. Next, what you eat in the lunch, what you take for dinner. Everything is home cooked, everything is your favorite. Even I, being a foodie, I even enjoy chocolate nowadays. Maybe I don't take a full chocolate. I don't take a big bar, which I used to, but still I enjoy my chocolate in its own way. Got it? You have to be taking care of yourself. Financially, take the help of your children. They will help you because they are going to lead a stress-free life after this. Followed. No rushing to doctors, no operations, no medications. A disclaimer. Here I would like to put a disclaimer that you have to be disciplined. Follow your coach. We are not curing any diseases. We are making you healthy. As a wellness coach for 50 plus, I would like to say that we are making you healthy. We are not curing your diseases. The doctor's medication has not to be stopped. But as you lose weight, gradually your medicine intake, doctor will decrease and slowly you will be free of medicines. Is that too tough? Is that too hard to follow? No, it's not hard to follow. It's not tough to follow. It's only the mindset, the willpower, the positivity, the attitude that you have to develop for losing your weight. Got it? So, friends 50 plus, You have got the right to live. You have got the right to enjoy your life. You have got the right to move around. You have got the right to go shopping. Go to the malls. Enjoy your life. Why simply lying down on the couch or bed and spending your time? You want your dinner on your couch. You want your breakfast on your couch. Why? I don't like that. I want you all to be enjoying life. God has given you single life. Enjoy it to the maximum length. Followed. So, make up a mind. Ask your children that you want to lose weight. Take their help. Follow it. Okay. Thank you so much for giving me your 15 minutes. I'm thankful to you for listening to me and all 50 plus people. I am with you. If you need any help, you can just comment me. Do give your reviews. Do give your comments. And if you want to like to hear on something special topic, do put it in the comment box. I would like to prepare for you. I would like to give a small information on that for you. Ready to help you now, tomorrow, day after, and ever after. Thank you so much, all the 50, 60 plus people.